how to get a high score on Block Blasts. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to get high score on Block Blast. Alright, so let's begin. Now first, before I discuss exactly how you can get high score, you should know some basic things in the game. When you add any shape, you will get a score with the same number of blocks in this shape. But if you completed one row, you will get 10 points. And now another thing is that when you make a combo, this means that within 3 moves, only you complete one more row or one more line. You get a combo multiplied by 2, 3, 4 and so on. So the more combos you get, the more score you will have, but put into consideration that you should make the combo within the upcoming 3 shapes. So if you have put 3 shapes and you didn't complete a line, then you put a fourth shape that will complete a line or a row. This will actually not make a combo, but it will give you just the 10 score of the completed column or row. So make sure to make use of this point and try to open yourself some spaces in order to make combos. So try to be a playmaker and give yourself some space to make more combos in a row. And when you lose the game, you can simply choose to watch and add in order to continue playing the same game. And this is actually another method that you can use in order to get more score. So that's basically how you get a high score on Block Blast. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.